Hi, welcome to Cantonese with Ina, and this is the first video I've ever made, so please enjoy this. Today I'm going to teach some common verb phrases because verbs are really fundamental building blocks in our utterances and sentences, especially in Cantonese, because Cantonese has an SVO structure, which is subject, verb, object structure, and verbs are really important. So today I'm going to teach some common verbs followed by some verb phrases and ended up with some exercises. So let's get started. Okay, the first verb I'm going to teach now is sick. You can say sick, yeah, which means you're going to eat something else, but you don't specify what you're going to eat. Just some random food. Sick, yeah. And then you can say sick fan, which means to eat a bowl of rice. Sick fan. Fan means rice. And then you can also say sick mean, which means eating noodles. Sick mean. And a second verb, it's yum. We can say yum so. So it means to drink some water. Yum so. And then we can also say yum ho lo. Yum ho lo, which means to drink Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola in Cantonese is ho lo. So we can say yum ho lo. And the last one, we can also say yum cha. Cha in English means tea. So if you're going to drink some tea, you can say yum cha. And this phrase, yum cha, it has another meaning. Apart from drinking tea, you can also refer to yum cha, which means you're going to eat some traditional Chinese food in Chinese restaurants. So yum cha has two meanings. The third verb I'm going to teach is zhag. Zhag means to put on. So first we can say zhag sam, which means to put on your clothes. Zhag sam. And then we can say zhag fu, which means to put on your pants. Zhag fu. And we can also say zhag lau. That means to put on some jackets. Zhag lau. And the final verb I'm going to teach is the opposite of putting on. That is to take off. Chou. Chou means taking off. We can say chou sam. That is to take off your clothes. Chou sam. And we can also say chou fu. That is to take off your pants. Chou fu. And the final one, we can also say chou lau. That is to take off your jackets. Chou lau. And now I'm going to introduce how you can use those verb phrases into complete sentences by adding 我想. For example, if you're hungry, you can say I'm hungry. 我想食麵. That is saying I want to eat noodles. 我想食麵. And if you feel like drinking something, you can say I'm thirsty. 我想飲水. That is, you want to drink some water. 我想飲水. And in case the weather is too cold, you can say 我想着褸. 我想着褸. That is to put on your jackets. And last one, if you feel hot after putting on the jackets, you may say 我想除褸. 我想除褸. That is, you want to take off your jackets. So now perhaps you've already remembered all phrases or you've already forgotten most phrases, but it doesn't matter because we have some exercises here. Question 1. How to say to eat? The answer is sick. Question 2. How do we say to drink? The answer is yum. So now we're going to have some more difficult questions. How to say eat noodles? The answer is sick mean. Sick mean. And how do you say to drink Coca-Cola? You may say 飲可樂, 飲可樂. And what should you say when you're hungry and you want to eat something? The answer is 我想食嘢. 我想食嘢. Okay, the last one. What should you do when you feel hot and want to take off your jackets? The answer is 我想除褸. 我想除褸. Okay, here comes the last combo question. If you understand this, you gotta do it. So the question is, what is the meaning of 我想你 subscribe 我啊? Okay, I'll repeat that. 我想你 subscribe 我. So what does it mean? So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm going to film more videos for you guys to learn Cantonese. So if you have any comments or any topics that you would like to learn more, feel free to comment below. And don't forget to like this video and also subscribe this channel. See you next time!